Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is Greek chicken meatballs with lemon orzo pasta. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. We're going to heat some olive oil in our frying pan, and then we're going to make our Greek meatballs. So we're going to add our eggs to our ground chicken, and we'll add all our spices, oregano, basil, onion powder, garlic powder, dried parsley, dried dill, and salt and pepper. We'll add some breadcrumbs and some feta cheese, and we're going to mix that all together. And then we'll form some meatballs. This will make around 15, 16 meatballs depending on what size you make. We'll place them in our frying pan. And we're going to brown them. You'll need to keep flipping them with some tongs so they get brown all over. And we want them to be cooked through at an internal temperature of around 165. When these are all cooked, we'll just turn off the heat, and then we'll make our lemon orzo pasta. Cook the orzo according to the package direction. Add in your melted butter, your parmesan cheese, lemon juice, lemon, zest of a lemon, garlic powder, oregano, salt, pepper, and I use fresh dill. Stir that all up, and then we'll serve our meatballs on top of our warm lemon orzo pasta. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.